Right, so this is my first video. I'm going to be hopefully repainting this link box for my Dexter over there. And right, so we've got my my drill and wire brush. It's still got paint in the floor, so I'm not really going to need anything stronger than that. Just going to sand it down, prime it, and hopefully paint it Fordson Dexter blue for my tractor. Maybe get a little canvas cover made for it, take it on the back to shows. Bought it quite cheap at an auction, one of the farm auctions. Got another video up on my channel about that. Right, so hopefully I can set my camera up so you can watch what I'm doing. Right. Come on, just move you forward. Right, so it came up quite nicely really. I mean, the rust's coming off fairly easy. There's still quite a lot of paint on the bottom here. Just stick on the torch, you can see a bit better. It's quite clear really, it's got no holes in it to what I've found. I mean, the paint's still on the floor, so it shouldn't have any holes anywhere. And it's coming off really easy. This will make quite well once I've primed it and repaint it, once I've bought some more blue for it. I actually got it with a bit of muck in it. I think somebody had done some poo picking with it or something, but it's not seemed to rotted it. It's not been in that long. So I'll hopefully get most of this done. I think I might do a video in a bit of once I've finished. See how it goes. Anyway, I will see whoever's watching this in the next video. Bye for now.